Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start OpenNebula Sandbox 5.0 using KVM. First, open the terminal, type the command su space hyphen to switch to the root user mode. You will ask the root user password, type the root user password. Successfully logged in as a root user, then type the command with manager. Virtual machine manager is open. Basically, this is a GUI tool which is used to manage the creation of virtual machine and the management of virtual machine. To create a virtual machine, select the file option. In that, select new virtual machine, and the first tab, select import existing disk image because we are going to start with the sandbox image or already pre-installed image. Okay, then select the forward button. Now I have to select the image from the storage. So I have downloaded that image and kept it in my local storage. So click on the browse button and go down to browse local and go to the home directory and locate the directory where you normally keep your files. So locate the home directory, or otherwise click select the computer, home, go to the locate the directory, and I have a directory named Arcade Nebula. Select the sandbox image, say open, and operating system type select Linux. In case if it is not selected, most of the cases it will select the automatically detects the operating system and select the version as CentOS 7 because this Open Nebula sandbox is built based on CentOS. Then select the forward button and RAM and CPU. You have to give minimum of 4 GB and maximum of 8 GB to give optimal performance. So in my case, unfortunately, my system supports maximum of 3873 GB, so that I give the maximum. In case your systems, if you have more memory available, please give 4 GB, and I increase the CPUs to 4 and say forward. And it's a time to name your VM. So how do you name your VM? So just any name, it can be any name. Just it is for our reference. So let me have a name, RK Open Nebula. Then finally select the customize configuration before installation option that will allows us to revise the hardware configuration. I mean the logical hardware configuration before beginning the installation. And at last select the network selection and select the appropriate network you want. So in this case I select the VNet, that is the NATed network, and finally finish. And now it opened the hardware resources allocated to my virtual machine and go down to each and every option listed here. So processor you can increase or decrease depends on your requirement, and memory also you can do the same. So like this, revise all those logical hardware configuration which you have given here, and once you're done with that, just click on the begin installation. So it will take a bit of time and it gives then options. Select the first option. If you are not selecting any option, by default it will select the first option. And it started booting. And wait for a minute, it will be ready. Yeah, it's ready. Now it's time to log in to the sandbox to know what is the IP so that it is easy for us to access from the web interface. So type the username root because I'm going to log in as a root user and type the password as open nebula. Successfully logged in. I just wanted to see the IP address. Type the command IP address show. Sorry, there is a mistake. IP address. So it's listed list of interfaces. LO is a loopback interface. ETH0 is a physical interface, sorry, virtual interface. It is assigned with an IP address 192.168.100.147. Kindly make a note of this address. It will be useful when we try to access the web-based GUI Sandstone. And there is a bridge interface, virtual bridge interface, virtual snake card. All those interfaces are there.